This tutorial will show you how setup options can change the appearance of RationPRO MVP. The Ration work area consists of several columns of information. You can remove these columns and add additional columns depending on your needs. To change the display area, first close the Ration, then click on Preferences, and then the Setup tab. By default, your Ration work area will include minimums, maximums, and the relationship and ratios column. Let's remove the relationship and ratios columns and add the batch and percent of batch columns. Click on OK to save your changes. Now we'll reopen the Ration to see what has changed. We now have a batch pounds and a percent of batch column appearing. These columns are both in gray because they are read-only. Their values are adjusted by changes you make to the amount column or dry matter columns. You can also change the appearance of the analysis pane and the position of the analysis pane. Right-click anywhere on the analysis pane to display the local menu. You have 4 different options for displaying the analysis pane. You can display it on the bottom of your screen, on the left side of the screen, on the top of your screen, and the default setting, which is at the right of your screen. Nutrient items shown in the analysis pane are in a bold type font with an asterisk if they are enforced targets. Enforced targets are set up in the Ration Properties screen. An enforced target means that RationPRO must balance the ration to the minimum and maximum target for that nutrient item. You can add nutrient items to the analysis pane by clicking on the Add Item button. Choose an analysis item from the list and then click on OK. Analysis items can be moved up or down in the analysis pane by using the up or down arrows. You can remove an analysis item by clicking on the Hide button. There are several nutrient lists that can be displayed in the analysis pane. By clicking on the List button, you can choose a predefined nutrient list. The nutrient items shown in the predefined nutrient list are a subset of that nutrient item. To return to the configured analysis list, choose Configured Analysis. You can also quickly graph your nutrient items by clicking on the Graph button. The nutrient targets along with the percent of target line will be shown on the graph. There are many different ways to change the appearance and settings of RationPRO MVP. Try making your own changes to see what best meets your needs.